Really?
Where's all the bags and the things?
Mina wasi babina.
The village elders, Rokotui Rewa, Ranganikoro, village elders, respected Talatala, members of the media, ladies, gentlemen, brothers and sisters. Bulavinaka and a very good morning to you all. I would like to start by saying it is never too late for a new beginning in your life. The obstacles you have faced in the past can become the gateways that lead to new beginnings. And today, we are going to mark a new beginning in the lives of our youths, as I shall hand over the assistance under the Youth Farm Initiative to the 3 youth clubs. Ladies and gentlemen, brothers and sisters, the Youth Farm Initiative was designed as a remedy to the growing concerns this nation had for its greater asset, our beloved youths. Many young Fijians had been affected by the COVID-19 pandemic. So we are assisting those who are out of work or on reduced hours. These youths deserve the chance to work again. They are going to put land to use and be able to earn income through the sale of the harvest. This is what the Fijian government stands for. We are traveling far and wide just to reach the unreached. In last few weeks, my ministry and I, we have traveled to Rotuma, Kandavu, Obulau, Tavuni, to reach to all those youths who were not heard. And I can tell you, and I want to share this with you, that the challenges in the maritime is different from what we have here in the mainland. Their needs are different from your needs here in the mainland. And I was happy to meet so many youths during my visit. And it was an opportunity, just like today, to meet and hear the grievances that they had. And that is why, ladies and gentlemen, brothers and sisters, we have appointed 29 assistant youth officers now. They are all based in all districts. And the whole idea is for our assistant youth workers to reach to the unreached youths. You don't have to go to them. They will come to you. Because we have found out sometimes our youths are a bit shy. And I hope by now you all know who your assistant youth officers are here for this area. And I want to urge all of you to visit them or to make a call to them. And today we will make sure that they give their phone numbers to you people so that whenever you need them, they can come over and discuss your issues. Today, I'm very pleased to hand over to a total of 68 well-deserved youths the farming assistance, such as vegetable seedlings, tools, and provide funding for the land preparation. I'm told that these youths had been paving the way for themselves by selling cash crops, so this will definitely add value to what you have been already doing in your farm. I'm also pleased to note that the Lokia village is the first of the Central Division to benefit from this Youth Farm Initiative program. And here, on behalf of the government, I would like to thank and acknowledge the landowners for providing and giving consent to the youths to utilize the unused land. Can we all put our hands together? I'm also pleased to note that by now, a total of 1,432 youths have benefited from this assistance so far. At this juncture, I want to reiterate that we have been very vocal over the course of the past few months for the youths to be engaged in this program. I want to urge here this morning to our youths to learn new skills and continue to upgrade yourselves, because that is what is required in these changing times. I want to share with all of you this morning, we are doing interviews for the Pacific Levy Scheme. You must have heard and read that last week we have sent around 172 Fijians to Australia to work in Australia for 3 years. But I want to tell you something, that majority of them who came for an interview failed because of two reasons. One was health reason and the other one was marijuana. So I want to tell you, I want to share this with you. If you have any intention to take part in that program, you need to be fit, you have to train hard, and don't even look towards marijuana. Otherwise, during your test, you will fail. It will be an instant result. The Australian government have provided a test cup. So I thought I will share with you, maybe you have some interest. So you will have to do away with all these things. And I was very surprised when I learned that this is what our young people are going through. Ladies and gentlemen, since the Ministry of Youth and Sports have launched this program, as I mentioned earlier on, that we have seen a huge success throughout the country. A lot of youths are engaging in this. This farming initiative has generated interest from youths all throughout the country. This process is a great cooperative venture as it has involved the utilization of vacant land in rural areas for families. Above all, this has also been a success through the active participation of our youths. The Fijian government has given them the confidence in the rollout of grants for their initiatives in their local areas. And my ministry wishes to encourage youth clubs to utilize unused land for agriculture purposes. Finally, ladies and gentlemen, brothers and sisters, I would like to extend my appreciation and acknowledgement of all the other stakeholders who have provided assistance to help our youths in this country. With these few words, ladies and gentlemen, brothers and sisters, I wish to congratulate all of you and wish you well in your future endeavors, and may I take this opportunity in wishing you all a very Merry Christmas. Now.